Okay. Hey guys, so today we're unboxing fidgets, and they're from Mrs. Bench's store on TikTok, but she also has a YouTube channel. And I watch her on YouTube, and I ordered these from the store because I was like, it's about Christmas season, and I saw some pretty cool Christmas fidgets. So, oh my gosh. I may just off with his head. Goodbye, head. Goodbye. Is that a head? Would I call that a head already? What would I call that? Hold on. I'm trying not to get the name or like address thing right there. Get what I'm saying? Alrighty. Let's start off. I think this is like a thank you for like ordering fidgets. So let's start off. The Pop Rockers, the Grump. I'll get to that in a sec. What in the world? I thought they sent all the Pop Rockers. They didn't send me all. I thought they were supposed to send them all to Pop Rockers. I don't know. That's weird. Alright, I got Christmas mochis. These are a Christmas mochi pack. And then the polar bear Pop It. The Grump Pop It. Alright, I don't know what happened. I don't know if there was only supposed to be one thing or what. I think she just sent this because we ordered so much. It's a pop tube. Because I think she does throw in some like an extra fidget. Just because, okay. So weird. I remember ordering these. I guess this is the mystery pack. Let's get into this. I'll also open the mochi pack, wherever I put that. So check this out. I was looking at this, and they released this right, like a few days right after I ordered my fidgets. It's a Christmas dimple. I think that's pretty cool. They also released this. It's a reindeer Pop It ball. Look at this. When you pop it, its nose comes out. Isn't that cool? And what is this? All right, we have a mystery thing. I'm supposed to know a little bit about fidgets. Oh. What's in his mouth? Jeez, Louise, what's in his mouth is my question. All right, a Christmas pop tube. Looks like it's cut. Okay, here we go. How do I turn this thing off? Help. Help me. I literally popped this thing. Okay, good. Gosh. I was about to say, help me. I turned it on. Now I can't turn it off. I gotta message the company and be like, how do I turn this pop tube off? I ordered a pop tube from the mystery pack and I can't turn it off. What should I do? And then a stress ball, Christmas. Ah! A Christmas stress ball. So a lot of this stuff was actually on the website and then I don't know what this is exactly. Comment if I have comments on, comment down below and be like, and tell me what this is, please. And then one of my personal favorite fidgets, I think there is. Let's just open this fidget. One of my personal favorites. I think this is an infinity cube. Yep. It just goes on and on. I love these. I think they're really cool. See, they just go on and on and on. So pretty cool. And then, let's see. These are my mochis. I'll open them. I'll keep them in like what they are in. So we got a Christmas tree. An elf. So a lot of mochis. To be honest, now I don't know why I ordered. I didn't expect them to be this many mochis. One of these candy canes. A snowman. A stocking. And I think this is Santa. We got Santa. And for some reason I thought that there was supposed to be I thought all of the pop ones were supposed to come, but I guess not. And then, like I said, we have these poppets, which I'm probably not gonna open them right now. Where the heck did the other one go? Oh gosh, I already oh, there it is. So yeah, and they also sent me this pop tube. I didn't order this, but I bet they sent it because I had a pretty big order. But anyway, the video's over, so like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.